Hello everyone, I'm Rick Wright with the Livestock Markets Association of Canada Regional Market Report, brought to you today by the Canadian Angus Association. This week in Manitoba we saw a large volume of cattle on offer. We traded about 12 to 13,000 stocker calves, probably about 500 to 700 yearlings this week, and about 1,400 butcher cows in our trading area. We saw the demand for the cattle on the calf market quite strong, steady with last week's prices. We did see a drop in the prices on the heifer calves this week. Demand for the yearlings remains fairly steady to strong on a very light offering. So let's take a look at where the market closed up for the week. Your butcher cows traded with the good D1 and D2 cows trading anywhere from 75 to 80 with sales to 83 cents. Your older cows trading at 68 to 72. Good feeding cows trading anywhere from about 80 to 86. And the good heiferettes trading from 90 to $1.06. Top butcher bulls this week traded anywhere from $1 to $1.07 with sales to $110.50. Your good feeding bulls traded anywhere from 90 cents to $1. Moving over to the feeder cattle market for this week in Manitoba, we saw a large volume of calves on offer. As mentioned, quality was quite good. A lot of good fresh calves right off the cows. 350-pound steers traded from $270 to $285. Your good 400-pound steers traded anywhere from $250 to $265 with sales to $270. The 500-pounders trading at $215 to $222. Sales to $230. And we had some real good black-hided calves and some good Charolais calves this week, topping off at $235. 600-pound steers just barely steady this week, with the top end of the steers trading from $2 to $209 at flat 6 with sales to $214. Your 700-pounders traded from $190 to $199 with sales to $207. We had a lot of good heavyweight January calves on the trade this week, and they were pretty easy sell, trading anywhere at $185 to $195. Some good fancy steers up in the St. Rose district closed the week at $199 at 800 pounds. Yearling steers, light offering, strong demand. A few of the guys finally got some finished cattle moved, got some space, and would prefer to move on to some yearlings rather than calves. They traded anywhere on the 800-pound mark from $185 to $194 with sales to $199 on the flat 8s. Your good 900-pounders from $180 to $190 with sales to $192, and your 1,000-pound steers traded anywhere from $165 to $175 with sales to $177. On the heifer calf trade this week, we did see some resistance on the heifers. We had a larger volume of steers on offer. Certainly we got back to that 30-cent spread between the steers and the heifers. That's pretty traditional for this time of year in Manitoba. Your good 350-pound heifers traded from $210 to $222. Four-weight heifers traded from $195 to $205, sales to $210. Your 500-pounders traded from $180 to $186 with sales to $190. 600-pound heifers right off the cows trading at $170 to $175, sales to $177. And the good 700-pound freshly weaned heifer calves traded anywhere from $165 to $170, sales to $172. Light offering of yearlings. Most of these yearlings showing up now. We're coming off of the preg testing of the bred heifers on the ranch calves. Your good 800-pound heifers traded from $170 to $175. 9 weights traded $165 to $170. And the good 1,000-pound heifers traded from $145 to $155. For the upcoming week in Manitoba, we're expecting big volumes of cattle. Most of the auction marts are full for the next 2 to 3 weeks, so we do advise you contact your marketing agent to find out what's available for sales. This week's market report from the Livestock Markets Association of Canada comes from Manitoba. It's brought to you by the Canadian Angus Association, and make sure you check back on their website every Thursday and every Monday for updated reports from across Canada. This has been Rick Wright reporting from the market in Virden, Manitoba. Have a good day.